Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Talk. In today's episode, Anna and Tom will share stories about their favorite festivals. Then, I'll explain 15 useful words and phrases you can learn from their stories. Let's get started with Anna.
One of my favorite festivals is definitely Christmas. I love the whole season, the festive atmosphere, the decorations, and of course, the food. In my country, people start preparing for Christmas weeks in advance. We decorate our houses with twinkling lights, wreaths, and ornaments on the Christmas tree. I always help my family hang the stockings by the fireplace. On Christmas Eve, we have a special dinner. My mom usually makes roast chicken, mashed potatoes, and a delicious dessert like apple pie or Christmas pudding. After dinner, we open a few presents, but we save most of them for the morning. The best part of Christmas for me is spending time with my family. We watch Christmas movies, wear cozy pajamas, and drink hot chocolate. It feels peaceful and joyful. I know it's a popular festival, but it still means something personal to me.
For me, the best festival is Songkran, which is the Thai New Year. It happens every April and is also known as the Water Festival. During Songkran, people throw water on each other to wash away bad luck and welcome the new year with a fresh start. Everyone takes part old people, young people, even tourists. There are huge water fights in the street. You can't walk outside without getting wet. It's not just about fun, though. Many people also visit temples, offer food to monks, and pour water on the hands of their elders as a sign of respect. Songkran also means a lot of good food. I love eating mango sticky rice, drinking cool drinks, and listening to traditional music. There's also dancing, parades, and lots of laughter. It brings people together and reminds us to start fresh. Even though it's a noisy, wet festival, it feels peaceful at the same time. Everyone is happy and kind. That's why I love Songkran so much.
Now, let's go over some vocabulary from Anna and Tom's stories. I'll explain 15 useful words and phrases to help you improve your English. 1. Festive atmosphere. A cheerful and happy mood during a celebration. 2. Decorations. Things like lights or ornaments used to make a place look nice. 3. Twinkling lights. Small lights that shine and flash softly. 4. Wreath. A round decoration made of flowers or leaves, often hung on doors. 5. Stockings. Long socks hung up for Santa to put gifts in. 6. Roast chicken. Chicken cooked in the oven, usually for special meals. 7. Christmas pudding. A sweet, rich dessert served at Christmas. 8. Pajamas. Clothes people wear to sleep. In American English, pajamas. 9. Hot chocolate. A warm drink made from milk and cocoa. 10. Water festival. Another name for Songkran, because water is used in the celebration. Wash away bad luck. A phrase meaning to clean off bad things from the past. 12. Water fight. A fun game where people throw water at each other. 13. Pour water on hands. A gentle tradition to show respect in Thai culture. 14. Traditional music. Music from a culture or country, usually played during festivals. 15. Parade. A line of people or vehicles moving through the streets as part of a celebration.